Guys, today we are going over pricing for your balloon decorations. A lot of you guys want to know how much you should charge for your balloon decorations. You want to know if you're charging too little. Why do my jobs feel exhausting? Because pricing sits under almost every stress point in the balloon industry. And if pricing has ever made you feel confused, unsure, slightly awkward when you're sending over a quote, completely normal, let me welcome you to the club. Nobody escapes this phase. Because most balloon decorators were taught balloons, not business math. What the heck? Which means what do? We guess, we compare. We pick numbers that feel reasonable. We hope for the best with those numbers and then wonder why we feel tired. Now, before anybody gets nervous because it starts to feel like math, let me simplify everything. There's a tool that I use that makes everything straightforward. And if you've ever heard QuickBooks and immediately thought, that sounds complicated. That sounds like accounting. I became a balloon decorator. Avoid this type of stuff. QuickBooks is simply a tool that tracks your money. Money coming in, money going out. That's it. Think of it like your bank account, but organized in a way that actually makes sense for decision making. Because right now, many balloon decorators are running their balloon businesses like this. Money comes in, money comes out. Everything feels vaguely fine, but slightly mysterious. Where did it go? And this is where revenue versus profit becomes very important. Because revenue sounds exciting. Revenue sounds impressive. But profit pays your life. Very different relationship here. You can book a $2,000 job. Feels amazing. Celebrate. And then QuickBooks quietly says, but let's talk about what you actually kept. Now this is where things get interesting. Let's get into it. Now let's say QuickBooks says your net profit was $1,500 for last month. Sounds decent at first, but now ask yourself, how many hours did I work? Prep time, driving, installs, fixes, emails, admin, all the invisible things nobody claps for but for me. Let's say 50 hours, divide. Now suddenly, that number tells a very honest story. And this is the moment most balloon decorators, we pause. It's okay, we pause right here. Because pricing is not about revenue. Pricing is about profit relative to effort. And if that number makes you squint slightly, now you know your pricing structure is mathematically misaligned. Not emotionally wrong, math wrong. Which is good news because math problems are fixable. Now let's talk about something that QuickBooks exposes that most decorators underestimate. Expense leakage. Balloon businesses bleed money quietly. Extra balloons, last minute purchases, rush shipping, replacement supplies, gas, parking, random small expenses that feel harmless individually, but absolutely gang up on your profit. Profit rarely disappears dramatically. It evaporates quietly like the steam coming from your tea. Which is why balloon decorators feel like, I'm making money, but why does it feel like hide and seek? QuickBooks answers that question. And this is how QuickBooks helps you decide whether your prices need to increase. Not based on fear, not based on comparison, based on logic. Raise prices if profit feels small relative to effort. Business feels busy but stressful. Expenses eat most revenue. You feel constantly exhausted. Because a profitable business should feel stabilizing, not like cardio. Now here's a belief shift that many balloon decorators need. Raising prices is not greedy. We are transforming your hobby into a business. Raising prices is not greedy. It's stabilizing. Higher prices do not automatically scare clients away. They often attract better clients, better budgets, better experiences with your creativity, better margins, less chaos. Because pricing is positioning, not just numbers. And here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Instead of asking, how much should I charge? Ask yourself, what must I charge for this business to be sustainable and worthwhile? QuickBooks helps you calculate that answer because once you understand your expenses, your profit, your time investment, your pricing floor becomes obvious, not guessed, calculated. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how professionals price. Now listen, if this conversation felt familiar, if pricing has felt confusing, if profit felt unclear, if numbers have felt intimidating, this is exactly why I created the Balloon Business Reset. Because before fixing pricing, before scaling, before chasing more bookings, you need clarity. It gives you clarity on what you want from your business. And clarity makes pricing easy. You can download the reset for free using the link in the bio because your balloon business should be profitable, not confusing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, good people.